is over. Trying to roll. Can't see from here. Oh, recovered well. Made a good start. Off he goes down the course. Only 11 years old. Youngest competitor at the event.
Karibhoi Water Sports and Tourism Cooperative Society Limited Mentakas ngi ka khalai tarik risau kala yo ban Sdang ya ka Tamasa Iakob King Lieng lane ya ka balatip kum ka Megha Kayak Festival 2022 ka ban ne saus ngi kata nadu ka khalai hadu ka khan riu tarik risau arjar arpawar ya ka bala penlong hakawa trau ka badan hakashnong tham Ribhoi district kane ka Tamasa kalong ka bahe du hapo ka deuba jongkari India bat kidon da kispangut kinong wani shimbenta na kelengkari ka perthai bat kumju na po ka jela Meghalaya kenthop ye kinong shimbenta bapau na kelengkari bat kumju ru kinong shnong ko tham ki balada ban pentebet yalade bat syahikai ka jingthmu jong ka ka Tamasa kalong ban penlong ya ka jela Meghalaya kum ka wei na ka jaka penlong ya ka ka jingele kai bat ban pen itu sya ka perthai ban na ka jelaru kidon ki khna ki badon ya ka ka sap nya Lieng bat le se na pedeng kitei ki baye shimbenta kin sadon ru ki ban mikmat sya ka wei ka lempung ki bahe hakari bat wat syadu olempeng.
My name is Yuzil Yangrai. I stay in Shillong Whitewater Village in Tham, and I am 11 years old.
So did you experience?
It was good.
Is there any challenges?
Challenges. There was a class 3 rapid at the bottom. So
That's the challenge.
yes.
So
It was 2 minutes 32 seconds.
okay.
Along with me 11.
Okay. So you will be learning.
Yes.
What is your message?
Trying and never give up.
I'm from Mexico.
And I'm from Italy.
It's awesome here. I love it. I'm super happy to be in India and it's great.
Yeah, it's my first time too, and I'm enjoying it. I'm trying to reach as much people as I can and enjoy as much paddling as possible. I really love it. Yeah, it's really nice. The weather is changing a lot during day by day, so we need to adapt every time. The rapid is quite fun, and to put some slalom gates, it makes it even more interesting. And yeah, it's gonna be fun, it's gonna be hard, and it's gonna be like really a good memory when we come back to our country. What about you?
Yeah, I really like it here. Meghalaya is a really cool place and I'm really happy and thankful to be here. I would say that take care of your rivers because you guys have a paradise, and keep developing the sport and fight for your dreams.
My name is Ian Vincent and my wife Sheila Vincent, and we are here at Tam at Whitewater Village, and this is the 5th edition of the Megha Kayak Fest, and this is the biggest edition so far thanks to Meghalaya Tourism, which has supported this event. And as you can see from the other footage, it's very fantastic sport, very exciting, exhilarating. It's a wonderful sport, and we have around 15 local boys from the villages here who are training and learning the sport, and they have also represented Meghalaya in Kerala recently, and previously Karnataka and Uttarakhand, and our vision is to train them to World Championships level and to build a training facility here which can train the boys and girls. We want the girls also involved, train them up to the Olympics level to go in the future Olympics. And so we are seeking help to build this course here to make it suitable for training, and hopefully it will be the main training center in all of India, the center of kayak training in India. It will be here in Tam in Ribhoi district.